You are welcome. In Akash Hardware, you will find every item to give your house an attractive look. Here you will get the best quality tiles, granite, marble, sanitary ware, hydraulic modular kitchen, bathroom ware and much more. And the hardware of every brand is present here, whether it is Johnson, Century, Toyo or other big brand hardware. You are available here at fair price and rates. So come to Akash Hardware and give your house an attractive look. आज शिलांग के हरिजन कॉलोनी के स्थानांतरण को लेकर मेघालय सरकार के साथ चौथी बैठक राज्य सचिवालय में बुलाई गई, जिसमें हरिजन पंचायत समिति और मेघालय सरकार के दोनों उप मुख्यमंत्री प्रिस्टोन तिनसोंग और स्निवभालन धर के साथ संबंधित विभागों के अधिकारी मौजूद रहे। इस बैठक में स्थानांतरण से जुड़े कुछ मुद्दों पर चर्चा हुई। मालूम हो कि हरिजन कॉलोनी के स्थानांतरण और पुनर्वास को लेकर कई बैठकें हो चुकी है, परंतु कुछ ऐसे मुद्दे हैं जिसको लेकर मामला अटका पड़ा था। परंतु बैठक के बाद उप मुख्यमंत्री प्रिस्टोन तिनसोंग ने पत्रकारों को बताया कि सरकार के तरफ से हरिजन कॉलोनी के स्थानांतरण और पुनर्वास को लेकर एक पूरा ब्लूप्रिंट तैयार है, जो हमने हरिजन पंचायत समिति को भी सौंप दी है और सरकार पूरी तरह से प्रतिबद्ध है कि हरिजन कॉलोनी के स्थानांतरण और पुनर्वास का एक सौहार्दपूर्ण परिणाम निकले। साथ ही तिनसोंग ने यह भी कहा कि इस बैठक के बाद अगली बैठक जो 7 जून को निर्धारित की गई है, वह इस मामले को लेकर अंतिम बैठक होगी और सौहार्दपूर्ण हल निकलेगा, ऐसा हमें उम्मीद है। वही राज्य सरकार पुनर्वास के लिए सूचीबद्ध 342 में से हरिजन कॉलोनी में 148 अवैध परिवारों की मौजूदगी के बारे में हाइनिवट्रेप यूथ काउंसिल HYC द्वारा किए गए दावों पर उपमुख्यमंत्री प्रेस्टोन तिनसोंग ने कहा कि उन्होंने शिलांग नगर बोर्ड के मुख्य कार्यकारी अधिकारी और शहरी मामलों के निदेशक को RTI जानकारी HYC द्वारा प्राप्त को सत्यापित करने का निर्देश दिया है कि हरिजन कॉलोनी के 342 परिवारों में से 148 अवैध निवासी हैं या नहीं, और रिपोर्ट आने के बाद ही इस पर कुछ कहा जा सकता है। तिनसोंग ने कहा कि शिलांग नगर बोर्ड के CEO और शहरी मामलों के निदेशक मामले का सत्यापन करेंगे और सरकार को विवरण पेश करेंगे और यदि आवश्यक हो तो स्पष्टीकरण जारी करेंगे।
Just tell you one thing, the government is dedicated, government is firm in their intention and will make sure that relocation is to happen for the interest of the people of the state. I already told them very clearly, they also agreed in front of everybody and they said yes, we will have one more meeting and then we come to a decision.
So just in brief,
the sentiment is always there. Even myself, when I shifted from my village to Shillong, I keep crying. That is there always. So what I'm trying to tell you, the sentiment is there, but we discussed all the detail. I will be able to tell you exactly on the 7th of June, next meeting, I will tell you everything. Where is the sentiment lying or where is the decision taken? Okay?
so we can see that
or the employees only.
See, the employees do have their family. If you say all the employees are a single mother or single father, I think that is totally wrong. You get my point. When you have an employee, means they have wife, they have children.
No,
so what is your question?
148 are not 148 households are not the employees.
Again, back to square one. I already replied. I can't say yes or no. As per that RTI reply. But right now, Director of Urban Affairs and the MUDA are on the job to verify that. So please don't ask that question. Okay, next. I said to you, a number of concerns were discussed. But let me just tell you one thing. Since the meeting is not over yet, as I already told you very clearly, the next meeting will be held in the month of June, first week of June. It may happen on 7 or like that. So, till then, I will not tell you anything, because if I have to tell you everything right now, what points should I tell you on the 7th of June? So please wait. Please wait. I will tell you everything when the decision is taken on that day. Okay. As far as this numbers concerned, I will not say anything right now. Let the verification be over. Then once the verification is done, then I will be able to come out clearly that yes, this is the numbers, this is the numbers. But let me just tell you also one thing. You need to also go to the manual scavengers act was there, where we have to also be guided by that manual. So therefore, as I said, let us end of this issue right now, since the Directorate of Urban Affairs and MUDA are still on the job for verifying all these issues. So
Sir.
of those names, numbers who were already there, because right now we have 342. This is what we are contemplating relocating them to other place. Okay? Not beyond that.
I'm asking whether you
We already presented to them. Second meeting, third meeting, and then this is the fourth meeting again. We have already presented them. Yes, maybe some modification here and there. It's always there. But the blueprint, I've already told you the last meeting too. The last meeting is we wanted to have complete shifting, complete relocation has to happen. That is from our side. I'm talking about the government intention. So right now, again, yes or no, please be patient. Wait till 7th of June 2024, and then I'll come out and I'll explain to you as it is.
Sir.
In our state, it's always like this. If you do right, they will say it is wrong. When you do wrong, they will say you do right. And then again, some people will say no or yes. That happens. See, let me just tell you, I think the intention of the government is very clear. No matter what, whether Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, Mr. D says what, we are very firm about it, because the decision of the government is what? Relocation. And you remember it correctly also, that time 2018, even government has constituted that high power committee. Ultimately, after a series of meetings, and then some people in the meantime they said government just buying time. They did not do anything. The report was not given to the government. I mean, so many issues were there. But let me.
वही हरिजन पंचायत समिति के तरफ से HYC द्वारा किए गए दावों को गलत करार देते हुए कहा गया कि इस मामले पर पहले भी सर्वे हो चुका है। वही उन्होंने बताया कि सवाल यह नहीं है कि वहां कोई सरकारी विभागों के कर्मचारी हैं या नहीं, सवाल है कि 8 पुरखों से सिख समाज के लोग वहां रह रहे हैं और स्थानीय लोगों के साथ उनका जो मतभेद है वह समाप्त होना चाहिए और एक सौहार्दपूर्ण हल निकलना चाहिए।
No, those are just allegations, but that is not the truth. That is not the truth.
But was this issue?
It was already surveyed in 2007, whereby the HPC and government was agreed that about the number of families residing there. So it is later on it's thought, but actually it is not correct.
Last time you have requested.
Meetings are being done on the basis of the High Court directions that let's do the settlement by dialogue. So
do you see that next meeting will be a decisive meeting, will be the final one?
I hope so. I hope so. Let's see.
In fact, in 2007 there was a
See, basically there are certain things which I think we'll discuss among our people, which I can't disclose to the media today. But yes, as I told you, to some extent we had a good discussion on a positive note, and once we take the consent of our people, then of course we will disclose to the media also. These
Land to be allotted to each beneficiary.
Yeah. You see, that demand is still there. We had discussion on that topic, but nothing is finalized yet. But yes, there is a progress. The final will be decided in the next meeting in first week of June.
What is the response of the government? to
See,
this
government
demand?
response is positive. As I told, we had a fruitful discussion. It is on the positive note. We are also moving ahead. So there are certain issues which we have discussed today. We'll go back, we'll discuss with our people, and then we'll see what best can be done. We also want a amicable solution. So hopefully we'll reach to some conclusion.
If you can tell us what are these other issues that
लेकिन फिर भी आप चाहते हैं उनको भी सेटल किया जाए.
See, the issue is not of whether they are employee or not, but since they are residing there for years, centuries, so whether they or their forefathers, you know, but the actual numbers, it was like, you know, decided, it was 340.
So do you feel this demand is right because many
42 फैमिलीज है ना, वो गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय है या उनके बाप दादा जो थे वो काम करते थे. और ये कॉलोनी मतलब सिर्फ एम्प्लॉयज़ के लिए नहीं है. ये कॉलोनी हम लोग 200 साल से यहाँ पे रह रहे हैं. और ये कॉलोनी जो है ये एक तरह का मतलब जो लोकल पीपल और हमारा कम्युनिटी का साथ में जो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग है, उसके लिए हम लोग ये बात पे आए हैं कि हम लोग चाहते हैं कि ये सेटलमेंट हो जाए. और अगर मतलब इसमें ये नहीं है कि कोई नौकरी करता है या नहीं करता है. जो गवर्नमेंट के साथ पहले से बात हुआ है, जो हम लोग क्लेम कर रहे हैं हाई कोर्ट में भी, उसी
340.
242. You mean that if all these 342 families were Caribbean? Are they
Are
government
government
employees? Are they all government
He
employees?
will answer.
are they all government employees? But could you,
This, I think, not the
जो
question.
जो थ्री
Staying there for years, since centuries. So how you can say it is not